Menin kemit kan nyutrik rempang arja arpulai, hakapor kembas posteng iai kat ba kadang yait ke jelang jo kasang Trinidad Congress po Phulbari Assembly Constituency kasang kladon ke jeng syahir thama hakawi ke kenhun ke balayai pait ba ya ke bala kena ba ke kenhun ke bayat presiden jo kasang National People's Party. Ukutong jo kasang TMC na po Phulbari asmatun monument oleh thu bola syakhat syakatai ke jelang ke badan ku jeng khawai. Pat melapoi setiap kejakah kapal kembah prasteng dekat barang yak ketika cekwai bak jelang kesang-kesang ke kenun kebayat bak lawan tur ketika kejakah penjot di ten ki yin kisam bagi jingker ba pelong ke jelang bat cibun ngut ki beri kelam saw nak ke jingja nak liang ke jung ula kentu ye ki bor ba penyak ye ke election ki bos char district medi bat pek bat kni ba pen bun ki bos pahara kanang ban lait nak nun ke jingma hadin habut. Ulah kenturu ia kini kerjaan juga sang Trinidad Congress manlang ki bajajai kerana menemui kena jingkulmar hakapor election.
By this evening at about 8:30 to 9 p.m. A social feast was organized by a relative of mine at village Charpatapara under Phulbari constituency, whereby my uncle invited the villagers and his relatives, and where I was also invited. I reached his house by around 9:30. As soon as I reached there, one procession was led by MDC Shamnagar 19 Shamnagar constituency, and all on a sudden, the procession was stopped in front of my uncle's house, and the people from the procession, they started pelting stones, bricks randomly, whereby at least 4 to 5 people were injured. After that, these injured people were taken to Phulbari CSC for necessary treatment. This is really very shocking that without any permission, this procession was led, and this unfortunate incident has happened. I request all my supporters to please keep patience, to please bear with the situation, to please not to make any sort of quarrelings. Allah. I request my supporters to please work for the betterment of our constituency, for the betterment of our society. Thank you.